Gonna be warm December, making memories to last till next November. It's gonna be warm December.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing the classic holiday makeup, the winged liner, the red lip, and I'm just going to show you how to achieve it with some products that are already in my collection. Only thing new that we're going to be playing with is by Nye, and this is the luxury powder. Everything else has been here. So let's jump right into it. So the brows are already on. We're going to go ahead and move into the face. And for the face, we're going to be going in with the Refy Beauty Face Primer. This is the Face and Glow or Glow and Face Primer. This is very hydrating, very glowy, very dewy on the skin. And this is going to be the perfect balance for the foundation that we're going to go in with. So as you can see, the face is super glowy, super dewy, and you know I'm here for the glow. So let's go ahead and move on to foundation. Foundation, I'm going to be mixing two. The two that I'm going to be mixing, the first one is by NARS, and this is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Marquises. And then I'm going to mix it with the Dior Forever Matte Foundation in 7W. And we're just going to mix these two together and have a nice matte foundation look. However, it's not going to dry out the skin because we do have that Refy hydrated primer on. Using my favorite sponge, the e.l.f. sponge, to blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer. And this one is in 44Y. And I'm going to mix this with my MAC Prolongwear Concealer in NC 42. So I'm also going to cream contour slash bronze, and I'm going to go in with the NARS bronzer in Laguna number 4. So we're just going to go around the outer perimeters of the face, the cheekbones, the forehead, and kind of warm up the skin. I'm going to deepen it up just a little bit with the Rare Beauty Concealer in 560W. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand and then take my brush and blend it in very softly. Not a lot, just a little bit. Now we're going to go in and blend out the concealer. Gonna go in and set with the Nye Banana Powder. So to set the skin, we're going to go in with my handy dandy trusty old MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder and dark deepness and dust all around. We'll set the whole bronzer area that we put down. Okay, so to bronze the skin, we're going to go in with Mykonos. You already know how I feel about Mykonos. And I'm going to mix in a little bit of Ibiza from Sephora Collection matte bronzers. So we're gonna go in with this Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in Grace. I forgot to do it with all of the cream products. However, we're just gonna do it right on top and pray that it doesn't lift anything. All right, so for the eyes, we're gonna keep it very, very simple. I'm gonna set the lid with the Ben Nye powder again, and then go in my crease very lightly with the number 5 bronzer from Sephora collection. Next, we're gonna move on to wing liner. I'm probably gonna be using the one size. Let's see what liquid liner I have. Yeah, we're gonna use the Patrick Star one size point made eyeliner, and we're gonna create a wing. I haven't done a wing in a while, so we're gonna see how this goes, but this is just like the classic holiday makeup look. Wing liner, bold red lip, highlight, and done. So let's go ahead. I need to concentrate on this part, so I'm probably not gonna talk.
Now, if you don't mind,
You know, the wings ain't twins, but they related. So I changed my lashes to the Miss Lash, and this one is by this brand right here, and this is the PM22, and they look like this. Gonna go in with the Dior blush in Pink Rosy Glow. This is what it looks like. We're gonna dust this all over the cheeks. I love this blush. It is so beautiful, so gorgeous, and it works for everybody. Everybody. So we're gonna dust that on the cheeks. I'm gonna use this Sephora brush. It's the highlighter brush. It's one of their old ones. This was my favorite brush, and they discontinued it. So they just messed up everything. Oh, what's next? I'm gonna brighten underneath the eye. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Brightening Flawless Foundation. No, Complexion Perfecting Eye Plus Face Micro Smooth Powder. That's a long name. However, this is the brightening powder for the deeper skin tones. We're gonna go ahead and dust this underneath the eyes and see, I don't know. I've just been kind of like still trying this out to see if I like it or not. So, you know, just bear with me. Just trying to see if I like it. Do we notice a difference? Does it brighten? That's the main question. Does it brighten? If it doesn't brighten, then I don't know. Next, I want to kind of curl my lashes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this Sephora eyelash curler. This is specifically for false lashes. It looks like this. So it doesn't have like the bars on the side. So you can just slide on, curl, and go about your business. Best thing invented for eyelash curlers. So let's curl these bad boys up. So typically I would do this before I apply the false lashes, but I forgot. So if you're gonna do it after, please be careful. Please make sure that your glue and mascara are dry, and go gently. Softly, gently remove. Yes, perfect. So I love curling my false lashes because it just lifts the eye, opens it up. It just gives it a whole nother life. All right, so we are going to, what are we gonna do? We're gonna put some mascara on the bottom lash line. So let's go ahead and do that. And do you see a difference? How this one just looks balanced. This one just kind of looks like it's missing a little something. So I really love piling on the mascara at the bottom just to kind of open up my eyes, more doll-like, like, hello. So moving on to lips, we're gonna go in with the classic red lip. To do that, if I can find it, we're gonna use the Dior. Especially for the holiday parties, you don't want it to move, you want it to last all day. These new Dior lips are really, really good for that. They stay on no matter what. Now, mine looks a little crazy because I left it in the heat, I think, and it destroyed my lip. But I gotta get another one. But nonetheless, I'm still going to use it. I'm going to first go in with a lip brush and apply it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and smudge it on. I'm going to use the lip brush to kind of give me my precise angles and stuff. And then I'm going to go in with dark Soul from NYX, and this is just a liner, and I'm gonna very lightly just add a little bit of dimension on the outer parts of the lip. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mist the face, and we're gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless and set it. All right, to highlight the skin, we're gonna go in with Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting Palette number 3. We're just gonna give that really holiday glow to the skin, and we're gonna use this for it. All right, guys, so this is the completed holiday look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is like the classic wing liner, red lip, perfected skin, glow from within. Yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how it turned out. This is definitely holiday friendly, appropriate, quick, depending on, you know, how much you move. There goes Sky. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go to bed now. I just did this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you use this look. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and let's do a giveaway. Welcome to December. Today's giveaway is going to be the classic red lip, the one that I used. So if you would like to enter, make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. If you're comfortable, leave your email address and your IG, preferably your email address. And yeah, you will be getting this Dior lip. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you stay up to date every time I upload and you don't miss an upload. And follow me on IG. Please, I'll leave it right here. And yeah, welcome to Vlogmas, Christmas, all of the above. Yeah, until next time. Bye, guys.
It's gonna be on.